It is Money Monday, and our money expert, CPA Paul Hood, joins us to talk about the effect of artificial intelligence on investing. Paul, good to see you. Thanks for being here.
Good to see you, buddy.
All right, AI is crazy. I use ChatGPT all the time, and it's, I don't use it for investing. Maybe I should, because people are using it for their investments, right?
Yeah. Well, so it's in the infancy stage,
Right.
What is investing? What is competent decision making? And other than just compiling the available data and making educated guesses, if you will, on the trends and what's going to come forward. And the more data you have, the quicker you assimilate it, the better. So like right now, institutional investors, they have an advantage because they have these high dollar programs that run through all these algorithms and when should you buy, when should you sell, what's trending, compiling all of this data. And then on top of that, they have trading programs that if they can trim, a tenth of a second off of each trade, it means millions and millions of dollars. And then you've got the guy sitting at home in his bathrobe, and maybe he's reading the Wall Street Journal or seeing stuff on the internet, but he doesn't, he's at a total disadvantage because get it. And so what AI is projected to do is maybe level that playing field. Robo-advisors are coming out, and to be able to literally look across all time and as far as what's going on in the oil business and in socioeconomic and political things and decision making and compile that data almost on an instantaneous basis to be able to make recommendations on when to hold, when to sell, when to buy. Is amazing. I just have a concern that to me it's kind of like the self-driving cars.
Right.
I've read all kinds of things, how much safer it's going to be when nobody makes a decision. You're not having to worry about somebody looking down their phone because all of the cars are talking to each other. Well, what if something goes wrong and all the cars go the wrong direction, or all the people just go off the cliff because all these AI, advisors are giving the same advice to everybody.
Well, it makes me think of like the 1980s. You had to call a guy if you wanted to trade or buy stock, stuff like that. And so now, I don't know, get ahead of it maybe a little bit, but there's also a lot of unknown with it as well.
Yeah. So it's got a lot of potential to kind of equalize the playing field for Main Street versus the market people, but it also has the opportunity to really, if people just blindly follow it, to end up with some bad results.
Yeah, definitely. All right, Paul, thanks so much as always. We appreciate it. And we'll be right back after this break. Stay with us.